If you want to make sure you never miss an event, meeting, deadline, or reminder, then in this video I'll show you how to turn on notifications in Google Calendar step by step. This is really useful if you use Google Calendar every day and want alerts right on your computer or through your preferred notification type. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to the account you want to manage. Once your calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings gear icon. Click that gear icon and then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now you're inside the Google Calendar settings area. On the left-hand menu, look for the General section. Under General, click Notification Settings. This is where Google Calendar lets you control how reminders and alerts appear for your events. Next, look for the notification options and choose desktop notifications or whichever alert type you prefer from the drop-down menu. If you want alerts to appear on your screen while you're working, desktop notifications are usually the best choice. If you prefer a different notification style, select the option that fits your workflow best. Once you've chosen your preferred notification type, make sure your settings are saved automatically as you go. After that, you can go back to your calendar and test things by creating an event or checking an upcoming reminder. That way, you can confirm your notifications are working the way you want, and that's it. You've now turned on notifications in Google Calendar. This small change can make a big difference in staying organized and never forgetting important events. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.